Well, good evening, Doak cooks. No surprise, I'm doing wings tonight. I think I do wings every week, so it's not a big deal. But tonight, what I'm doing is I'm actually going to make, I'm going to up one of my favorite barbecue sauces with a little bit of personalization. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start with something that I think is perfect. This barbecue sauce is incredible. It is delicious. It is available in grocery stores nationwide. They are yum, 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 yum. So, but what I do is every once in a while when I'm doing wings, I want to have a little bit of an extra kick. So I will take a barbecue sauce base, and I like white vinegar. I grew up on the East Coast. Carolina barbecue is very near and dear to my heart. I love a little extra zing of vinegar. But what I also love is going to our local farmer's market and being able to buy a whole bag of habanero peppers that I can then blend down into my barbecue sauce to give myself a little extra heat and power. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm only doing about one serving. About that much. Because I'm only doing about 12 wings. So, as I mentioned, I like white vinegar. And it helps thin this up a bit for when I blend it. Just a little dab will do you. And then I take a sharp knife and a small cutting board, and then we cut these guys down. I'm gonna grab a glove because I don't want to touch these with my bare hands, so give me a second. So we're just gonna do one. I have made this before where I've used 3 or 4. We're just gonna use one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off the stem. Okay, and like a moron, I'm gonna keep the seeds intact, meaning I'm gonna put them inside my sauce. This already smells intense. Wow, I mean, that already, it's not set my nose on fire, but you can definitely feel it. So I'm just going to quarter this so I can retain the chunks. And then we're gonna stir it a little bit. Just try and get, because the base barbecue sauce is very, very thick. I'm not gonna break down the ingredients of it, but it's got some oomph to it. And so now all we're gonna do, I bet you if I taste this, all right, well, why not? Let's taste it. It's delicious. And there's the heat. Okay, so the heat kicks in pretty quick. Woo! Oh man. All right, well, these wings are gonna be fun. Okay, now I'm gonna take this off. Okay, that's now trash. What's so funny is my dog is right here, as if she would actually want to consume what I'm about to do. She doesn't. She does not want to eat this. This would send her to the vet. This would be very, very bad. All right, well, let's jam it up. there you have it. There is, whoa, that smells really, really good. Okay, now, moment of truth. I'm gonna lick this. That's how much I licked. Okay, wow. The freshness is incredible. The spice is a little rough. The spice is a little rough to begin with, but so what? You know, 100 milliliters. 100 milliliters of sauce. So that's plenty of sauce for me to dip my wings in and get a little bit of heat. Actually, it's starting to subside, so good. It's not really tearing me apart, but we shall see. So, if you want to take a barbecue sauce and dial up the heat factor, take some fresh peppers and blend it in. Make sure you tell your friends before you serve them. Otherwise, they're going to be very upset with you. Happy cooking, everyone. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.